Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your WordPress app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, just keep going down, you click here on apps. You come to apps list and here you're looking for WordPress app. Or just click on search. Then here add WordPress, you just click on it. You come to next step here, click on force stop, click on OK. So then you go down here, click on storage. You come to storage list here, click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.